Libraries are evolving, and so is technology. And so is CATMELK, a cutting-edge AI-powered tool that makes library cataloging faster, easier, and more efficient. Let's take a closer look at how it works. Imagine turning book images into catalog records instantly, drastically reducing the time spent on manual data entry. CATMELK is a custom GPT on the ChatGPT AI platform designed specifically for library cataloging. It is available as a desktop application on the ChatGPT platform or as a mobile application that is running inside the ChatGPT mobile app. We assume you have a basic understanding of MARC or machine readable cataloging standard as it is central to our discussion. We'll be using this term frequently throughout the video. It uses AI to convert book images or simple text such as title and author name or ISBN number into MARC 21 compliant bibliographic records. These records are also compliant with the newest cataloging rules such as RDA. In addition, the records created are specifically compliant with the Descriptive Bibliographic Framework, abbreviated as DBIB, proposed by the National Library of Sri Lanka for Sri Lankan libraries. Whether you are using your smartphone or a desktop, CATMELK provides quick and accurate metadata extraction, significantly reducing the workload for catalogers. Earlier, you saw how text, such as an ISBN, can be directly input into the application to create a MARC record. You can also use book images as input, including the title page, copyright page, and content pages, etc. If you prefer this method, we recommend using the mobile app, which allows you to capture book images directly. To do this, you'll first need to install the ChatGPT app on your mobile device. When you have access to ChatGPT, there are two ways to access CATMELK. First, you can open the GPT store and search for a CATMELK. Second, if you're using a web browser, you can visit the CATMELK website directly using the link provided here. Using CATMELK is as simple as scanning a QR code. Here is how it works. Open the CATMELK app and take a picture of the title page and the copyright page. If you are using the desktop application, upload pre-scanned images. If you're using the free version of ChatGPT, CATMELK's features are available with a daily limit. However, if you're a ChatGPT subscriber, you can use it without any significant restrictions. No matter what account you have, stay with us in this short video to explore CATMELK's capabilities. You can access similar features at different levels in various AI applications, including free tools like DeepSeek, GenAI, and Quen. The key feature of CATMELK is that it has customized catalog record generation to the needs of the Sri Lankan catalogers. The application extracts bibliographic details, such as the title, author, publisher, and subject headings, in just a few seconds. The system formats the data into MARC 21 fields ready for cataloging. Before we dive into how to input this data into your library system, let me introduce a few commands that can streamline your workflow. These handy commands make your tasks much easier. They are custom designed specifically for CATMELK on the ChatGPT platform and will not work with any other AI application. CatWeb, this simple command searches for book details across the World Wide Web and enhances the generated record using data extracted from images or text input. Here's a simple trick you can try. You can turn CATMELK into an agent by combining two tasks at once. Just use that web command when inputting details as images or text, and CATMELK will instantly generate an enhanced record. CatLimit, this command generates a record using a minimal set of MARC tags, making it ideal for school libraries that don't require extensive metadata. It saves time on data entry and simplifies the process, especially for staff who may not have advanced cataloging skills. Once you've created the catalog record, the next step is to either copy and paste the fields into your library system or download the file and import it. I'll demonstrate both methods. MARC records can be downloaded as MARC files and imported into library LMS systems. You may already know that MARC files come in different formats. Some have the .mrk extension, while others use .mrc, depending on the intended use and system requirements. While ChatGPT sometimes claims to generate .mrc files, our experience shows that the results are not always perfect. Therefore, we will first create a .mrk file before preparing it for import. ChatGPT or other AI systems can generate MARC 21 records by writing and running Python scripts using the PyMarc library. By utilizing their ability to structure bibliographic data, these AI systems can generate MARC records, automating cataloging tasks that would otherwise be manual and time consuming. The reality is that while AI systems can streamline MARC 21 record creation, their accuracy depends on the provided metadata, meaning that human verification is still crucial for ensuring cataloging standards are met. What does this really mean? At its current stage, AI can serve as an assistant to catalogers, but it cannot fully replace a professional cataloger. Cataloging is a highly specialized task that requires technical expertise, skills, and contextual decision making, areas where AI applications may still have limitations. We've also created a simple command to make this task even easier. Use Catdown to generate a downloadable MRK file. CatMe LK will then provide a link for you to download it. This file should then be opened in MARCEdit, a standalone software available for downloading free of charge. MARCEdit can convert it into an MRC file, which can be directly imported into an LM is like Koha. We won't go into that detail here. Instead, we'll create a separate video to demonstrate this process, as non-technical users may find it complex and challenging to grasp. If you're not familiar with downloading and importing records into a system like the Koha Integrated Library Management System, we recommend simply copying and pasting the generated content. However, you should have a basic understanding of the MARC 21 standard, or at least know which MARC tags correspond to the relevant fields in your library system. In most fields of the Koha library system, for example, you can enter free text. Simply copy the text from your CatMe LK screen and paste it into your library management system or LMS. However, your LMS may have some protected fields where you can't manually enter data. For example, In fields like the main entry and subject headings, you may need to select terms from authority records. In such cases, follow the appropriate procedure. We won't be covering that here as it is beyond the scope of this video. So far, we've discussed commands that interact with the last record you created. However, there's one more command, ecatol. This command can be used in combination with other commands to apply that to all records created in the current session. Finally, we'd like to remind you once again that we didn't develop a new AI model. We simply adapted existing technology for a new purpose. The same approach can be replicated in any generative AI interface. However, in those cases, you may need to provide detailed instructions to achieve similar results as they won't support the specialized commands we've configured. The still MR record can be generated using textual or visual input, and you can download them for importing into your library systems after careful scrutiny. We encourage you to explore the possibilities of artificial intelligence in enhancing library work. Our attempt is meant to inspire you to discover new ways AI can support and improve cataloging and other library operations. In this video, we provided an overview of the CATMELK application and its use cases. To summarize, CATMELK is a custom GPT that runs on the ChatGPT website. To fully benefit from its features, a ChatGPT subscription is required. The free version allows you to test the application within certain limits. However, in the future, it could be developed as a standalone application using the ChatGPT API to operate independently. Thank you for watching. We look forward to bringing you more videos to help you explore the full potential of AI in library cataloging. Stay tuned for updates and feel free to share your feedback in the comment section.